I have no doubt कि Chungren Koren is gonna win this one. I'm thinking round 4, round 5 TKO. I'm gonna stick with round 4. लेकिन if I'm wrong and Rabindra Dhant wins the MFN Bantamweight World Championship, and मैं खुद आऊँगा and मैं बोलूँगा कि I underestimated Rabindra Dhant.
He's hurt. This could be it.
Did that actually just happen? Rabindra Dhant knocks out Chungren Koren in round 4. Knocks out. And मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में जो मैंने अपनी प्रेडिक्शन दी थी Chungren Koren और रविंद्र धांत के बीच में, मैंने बोला था अगर रविंद्र धांत ये फाइट जीतता है, I will come out and I will make a video saying कि I underestimated him. And this is me saying that right now. रविंद्र धांत, मैंने तेरे को अंडर एस्टिमेट किया. इट्स नॉट मोर कि मैंने तेरे को अंडर एस्टिमेट किया. आई जस्ट नेवर थॉट कि समवन कुड डू दैट टू चंगरेन कोरेन. जब आप चंगरेन कोरेन की फाइट्स देखते हो, यू ऑलवेज सी चंगरेन कोरेन एज द बुली. हमेशा आप देखते हो चंगरेन कोरेन अपने ओपोनेंट्स को पुश कर रहा है, चंगरेन अपने ओपोनेंट्स को नीचे लेके जा रहा है. ही इज ग्राउंडिंग एंड पाउंडिंग देम, ही इज एब्सोल्युटली गैसिंग देम आउट. लेकिन इस फाइट में कमेंटेटर्स ने भी बोला चंगरेन कोरेन इज गेटिंग चंगरेन कोरेन. It was an absolutely ridiculous fight. मैंने अपनी prediction वीडियो में ये भी बोला था कि this fight is ultimately gonna come down to grappling exchanges, कौन जीतेगा. And I really had a strong belief कि Chungren Koren की grappling was better than Rabindra Dhant. I guess not. क्योंकि जो मैंने game plan predict किया था उसका exact opposite हुआ. रविंद्र धांत को पता था कि takedowns आने वाले हैं. He wouldn't try to avoid them. He wouldn't try to sprawl with them. Instead, he would let Chungren try to get a hold of him and then instantly reverse it. I think Chungren को भी यही लगा कि shit, okay, I've got his legs, अब मैं इसको नीचे लेके जा सकता हूँ and the fight's mine. And हर बार जब Chungren वो करता गया, रविंद्र बस वो हर टेकडाउन रिवर्स करता गया. It was a brilliant game plan. जो मतलब प्रेशर था, जो इंटेंसिटी था, जो स्ट्राइकिंग थी रविंद्र धांत की. एंड ऑब्वियसली चंगरेन के भी कुछ अमेजिंग मोमेंट्स थे उस फाइट में. वी ऑल्सो सी चंगरेन कोरेन रविंद्र धांत के टेकडाउन्स को भी रिवर्स कर रहा था. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ स्प्रॉलिंग, लॉट ऑफ रिवर्सल्स गोइंग ऑन एंड अ वेरी हाई आईक्यू ग्रैपलिंग गेम फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ देम. राउंड 3 तक they both had a decent and an equal amount of strikes on each other. And round 3 में Chungren gets a nasty hold and locks in the D'Arce choke at the end of round 3. 10 सेकंड बचे. Chungren has the D'Arce locked in. हम देख सकते हैं कि रविंद्र धांत is struggling, you know, he's surviving. वो कुछ भी कर रहा है to make it past these 10 seconds ताकि हम round 4 में जा सके. And could the fight have played out a bit differently? अगर वो round थोड़ा सा और लंबा होता? It doesn't matter. Simply doesn't matter. क्योंकि उस round के बाद Chungren इतना exhausted था, he couldn't even get up and walk back to his corner. उसने हर चीज लगा दी थी. He put in everything into that choke and जब वो नहीं हुआ, his gas tank was destroyed. It took him like 20-30 seconds to get up and walk back to his corner. And एक और crazy thing जो मैं खुद admit करने वाला हूँ, आप लोगों को comments में लिखना ज़रूरी नहीं है. मेरे को पता है कि obviously वो आने वाले comments and you know what, I embrace them. I'm not gonna hide from them. मैंने जो अपनी prediction दी थी, मैंने दी थी. But the crazy part is कि मैंने अपनी prediction में बोला था कि I think Chungren has the better cardio because he's trained for 5-round fights. You know, he's been in 2 former championship fights before this. ये उसकी 3rd championship fight थी. I thought कि चलो यार, he's prepared for 5-round fights. उसको पता है not to empty the gas tank early on. And उसका exact opposite हुआ. आप round 1 में देखते हो, round 2 में देखते हो, and round 3 में तो let's not even talk about it. Chungren was gassed beyond belief. मैंने कभी Chungren को ऐसे नहीं देखा. Apart from his fight against Angad Bisht, जिसमें वो हारा था, no one has ever bullied Chungren Koren like that. No one. And Angad Bisht was considered to be one of India's top prospects. Before this fight happened, Rabindra Dhant और Chungren Koren की, Chungren Koren was probably seen as the best Indian prospect that we had. Ridiculous game plan. All of those people जिन्होंने बोला था कि Rabindra has fought in 1 championship, he's fought in Brave CF, he's fought international opponents and उसके पास ज़्यादा experience है. They were completely right. And again मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, रविंद्र धांत, मैंने तेरे को underestimate किया. I had no idea you would have a game plan as good as that. Fair play. What a fight. And future की जब हम बात करें, this just makes things so much more exciting. You know what I mean? Nepal has become like a full entire Ireland. They are supporting Rabindra Dhan जैसे Ireland supported Conor McGregor. It's ridiculous. All over social media, मेरे पिछले वीडियो में comments are all just Nepal, Nepal. We love Rabindra Dhan. We are here from Nepal. We're supporting him. It's a ridiculous amount of support. And ये हमारे sport को, it's just gonna propel it upwards. Rabindra Dhan ने खुद बोला कि I've been trying to fight in the MFN for the last 3 years. And I'm so happy I got the chance, and now I got the belt. But the future of MFN looks so exciting. I think Nepal के पास एक बहुत बड़ा star है. Ridiculously talented and massive star. He could really become one of the biggest names in South Asian MMA. Hats off to you, Rabindra Dhan.